Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about myths when it comes to servicing or repairing your vehicle. Let's start with the first myth I've seen, and that is that you air tires up to the max pressure on the tire. That is a myth. The reason why that's a myth is you want to air the tires to what the manufacturer recommends for that make and model of the vehicle. Plain and simple. Gives you best ride, best stopping performance, etc. Myth number two, that is flush your coolant every single oil service. Nothing could be further from the truth on that. When it comes to coolant, ethylene glycol needs to be replaced every 2 years, 24,000 miles. Extended life at the West Automotive Group, we recommend replacing every 3 years or 50,000 miles. Brake fluid. If the brake fluid's low on a vehicle, people say just top it off. That's actually a myth also. The reason why that's a myth is the brake fluid's gone somewhere. Either the brake pads themselves are wearing out, or we may have a leak in the brake system. The brakes should be inspected by a qualified technician. And the final myth we're talking about is actually batteries. If your battery is depleted and the car won't start, folks say jump start it and drive it, the car will charge itself. Cars are not made to charge batteries. They should be charged properly at a qualified facility. Get your vehicle in and have it looked at. I'm Brian Bowersock.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.